Good afternoon, Hampton. Good afternoon, Clarion. It's time again. It's time for some math. We're going to do several things in this math lesson. We're going to do some fluency, we're going to do a read, draw, write problem, and we're actually going to go through an entire lesson. So after everything's done, you'll be able to complete your problem set and your exit ticket in your new distant learning packets that are available now at the school. For weeks 4 and 5, you are able to pick up those lessons at the school today, which is Tuesday, and tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with some fluency. For today's fluency activity, we're going to get the 10 out and subtract. So we're going to start for every expression I give, I want you to subtract the ones from 10. So when I say 12 minus 4, you would say 10 minus 4 equals 6. So right now, the only thing you're doing is subtracting the ones from the 10. So ready? All right. 12 minus 4. Yep, you should have said 10 minus 4 equals 6. Let's do another one. 13 minus 7. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Now that you're doing such a great job with subtracting the ones from the tens, we're going to go ahead and add the ones back. So instead of just saying 10 minus 4, we're going to say 12 minus 4, and you're going to take from the 10. So now our new problem is 12 minus 4. So go ahead and take from the 10. So give me a number sentence starting with 10 first. Yep, 10 minus 4 equals 6. But now we're going to add the rest of the ones back. So we're going to say 6 plus 2 equals 8. So therefore, 12 minus 4 equals 8. You got it. Let's go ahead and try another one. Now we're going to do 13 minus 7. Go ahead, give me a number sentence to take out the 10, starting with 10. If you said 10 minus 7 equals 3, and 3 plus 3 equals 6, which makes 13 minus 7 equals 6, you're exactly right. Let's keep going. You should be doing this in your head. Remember, this is fluent mental math. 11 minus 8. Your turn. Go. Yep, take out the 10. 10 minus 8 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 11 minus 8 equals 3. Okay, moving right along. We're going to do 13 minus 9. Take out the 10. Go. Yep, 10 minus 9 equals 1. Very simple. 1 plus 3 equals 4. So 13 minus 9 equals 4. Look how fast you were able to solve that problem. How about 15 minus 7? Yep, 10 minus 7 equals 3. 3 plus 5 equals 8. So 15 minus 7 equals 8. Again, you took out the 10 from 15. You have 5 ones left. So once you subtracted the 7 from the 10, you got 3, and you added those 5 ones to the difference, which is 8. Let's do the one last one. Let's do 14 minus 8. By now, you should be able to teach this strategy to your parents because they definitely did not learn this way in school. So take out the 10. Go. Great. If you said 10 minus 8 equals 2. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 14 minus 8 equals 6. You got it exactly correct. Awesome job with fluency today. So we're going to go ahead and move right into our lesson. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip over my whiteboard so we can get into today's lesson. Move the camera up so you all can see. So for today's lesson, today's objective is I can use manipulatives to create equal groups. All right. So that's what we're going to be doing for today's lesson. We're going to also use this sentence frame. We're going to come back to this. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera. Let's see. All right. Let's see. So we're going to start here. As you can see, I have my manipulatives. And I want you to go ahead and look at my counters. And I want you to talk with someone in your home. And I want you to talk with them and discuss, are these groups equal or unequal? And how do you know? Are these groups equal or unequal? And how do you know? Great. So you should have said they're equal because there are 2 in each group. Or in other words, each counter has a partner. Think about when you go on a field trip and your teacher tells you to get a partner. You all are in equal groups. You're not alone. Okay? So now I'm going to rearrange the counters. Now I want you to take a look at them. Are these equal or unequal? And how do you know that they're equal or unequal? Okay. So you're right. These are unequal because they don't have the same amount in each group. This is a group of 4, and this is a group of 2. You all are super smart and doing such a great job. One second. I want to make sure that you're able to see. I want to move the camera back here. Sorry. All right. Just having a little bit of technical difficulties with the camera. Just want to make sure. All right. Moving along. So for groups to be equal, they need to have the same number in each. Do you agree with me? Yep, it is true. So now I'm going to, right now I have 6 counters. I'm going to add some more counters. And now what I'm going to do with these counters, I'm going to put them into groups of 2. So I'm going to put my counters in groups of 2. And before I do that, I'm going to stop this video and make a continuation video. So I'm going to stop right here and then pick up right where we left off.